Hello everyone, this channel is where I'm going to get Jye to try out different operating systems. Now, the first operating system we're going to try out in this channel. What is it? Windows 2.03. So, Jye, say hello.
Yep. Hello.
Okay, we are going to start. And Jye, this operating system doesn't need the mouse.
Okay.
So, what do you think you'd type to get into Windows?
Enter.
Type in Win or whatever. And then what do you do to load? Oh, hang on. Try that again. And I tricked you. MS-DOS doesn't have a mouse, but Windows 2.0 does. Okay, you ready for your task?
Yeah.
First task. What time is it? And you can double click on a program, maybe, in the thing here, to see what it is. Now, what's the time?
It's 10:59.
Okay, close that off. Your next task.
How do you close it?
That's another task for you to figure out. Give you a hint. It's that button. It has something to do with that.
There.
Good
Bye-bye.
job. Now, your next task is to write, save, open, and delete a text document. Okay, now can you save that document, you reckon? Save the file?
Of course I can save it.
That's what I like to hear. Okay, so can you just tell me right now, where are you saving the file?
I am going to save the file to C:/Windows.
Okay. Now let's see what it does. Now close it. Remember how you closed it before? I'll give you a hint. You can double click on that minus button. Now, where is your file?
In Files.
No, it's not there. Do you want me to give you a hint? You might need to do something just special. You might have to reload the shell in special maybe. Or you can... Oh, no, what was I thinking? Maybe close that special. Experiment with pressing those buttons maybe.
Maybe.
Oh, you did something. Okay, now can you find your document? What was it called again? Can you tell me?
It was called sub.
Can you find sub and double click? Now what does it say?
Sub to us. It helps a lot.
Good job. Now can you close the file and then delete it? Yep. Now how do you delete it? There might be a special way to delete it. Everything I'm saying is giving you a hit. There might be a special way to delete it. What? Okay. Maybe you have to delete the file. That's another hint. Maybe you have to delete the file. Let's see. Now what do you see? Oh, you want to delete it, don't you? Now what's happened to the file?
It's disappeared.
Great job. Now your next task
Is to press an arrow.
No, it's going to be to calculate with a calculator. Calc. What is 16 times 32? 16.
Was times. This one.
Yep. So why did you think it was that?
It looks like a star.
Okay, that's a good thought. Now 16 times 32. See if you can get that. 32. Now what does it equal? You tell me.
512.
Okay, great job. Now can you close the calculator for me? And then I want you to customize the look of Windows 2.0. Give you a hint. You can double click that. Double click. What are you doing? No, don't do Alt and F4. That might stuff up the recording.
Okay.
Okay, I want you to maybe control the way that the colors on the system are. You might want to control them. You might want to, nope. Do you know what drive A might be?
No.
It's a floppy disk. Jye, what have you done? I'll give you a hint. I want you to control the way that Windows looks. Do you reckon it'll be one of the preferences that you can control the colours of the screen? I'm giving you heaps of hints, aren't I?
Yeah.
So how did you figure out that you were meant to just...
I'm gonna do bathroom green.
Yeah, and before you press OK, experiment with that. I want you to change maybe the title bar or active title bar. Can you press the down arrow, please? Over that side. Yeah, press the down arrow. No, that's not the down arrow. I want you to maybe change the active title bar. And after you change it, tell me what you think the active title bar is. What do you think the active title bar is? Point the mouse cursor to it. In this box here. In the screen colors box. What do you think it is? Good job. That's the active title bar. Now, do you want to save that?
No.
How do you reckon you'd save it? No, save it. Just so you know. Okay, good job. Now, your next task is to explore the operating system or turn it off. What do you want to do? Explore or turn it off?
Turn it off.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. You might want to close the MS-DOS executive. Oh, I mean, that's another way. This will end your Windows session. And done.
Bye-bye, Windows.
No, so what did you think? So what did you think about Windows 2?
I think it was pretty simple for the time that it was released, but now it's really easy to use.
In my opinion, I don't think it's too easy to use, because now in Windows you have the control panel, don't you, Jye?
Yeah.
Yeah. So would you rather this or Windows 10?
Windows 10, because it's my favorite.
Okay.
But
in the next episode,
just
we're going to try out Windows 11.
seeing this has made me realize how far Windows has come from this Windows till Windows 11.
Yeah, I get what you mean.
Yeah, like
It's been a long evolution.
yeah, like it. Windows 10 was my favorite one for a while, and Windows
Before we actually started these videos, just
yeah,
then.
Windows 2 was actually like people's favorites a long time ago, but
Was it?
yeah,
Okay.
some people's favorites.
Mm.
Thanks.
Back when, so Jye, say back when Windows 2 was released back in the 1980s, I think it was. What would you think people would have thought of Windows 2 back when it was released originally?
They would probably be like, this is the best thing ever to happen to any Windows device. But nowadays, they'd be like,
So I just want to show you something.
oh my
See this right
gosh.
here? See this whole thing here?
Yeah,
This is called a GUI, a graphical
I know.
user interface, also
Yeah.
known as GUI.
I know.
Now, MS-DOS, I'll show you here. This isn't a GUI. This is text-based where you type things. But I think, do you think people would have liked text-based, which they might have already been used to, or the graphical interface?
Probably text-based.
Do you think they'd be used to text-based, maybe like
Yeah.
the idea of graphical?
Yeah.
But nowadays, what do you think everyone likes, text or graphical?
Graphical.
Yeah, because all their Windows 10s in their start menus. Okay, I think that's about going to wrap this episode up. I'll see you on the next episode.
Thanks for watching and subscribe.
It'll be released next week. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe.
Bye.